Alright, welcome back to another episode of Old Man Hacks the World. In this episode, we are going to learn about using Cisco Packet Tracer. Let me say that again. Cisco Packet Tracer to simulate setting up a router, specifically an ISR 4321 router, to accept an SSH connection from a PC that's on the network. And so you can see here we have the router and the PC. But let's scroll back up. So if you click on this, then click on the CLI, that takes you to the command line interface of the router. And there it's booting, it's doing this thing. And blah, blah, blah. Yeah, Cisco software, yes, we know. Okay, yes. Okay, we hit no because we didn't want to do the initial configuration dialog. We just want to set up an SSH connection. So we click no, and then enable to get into the router itself, and the configuration terminal. And hit certain commands to set up the connection. First thing we have to do is open up the gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0 connection, assign it an IP address and subnet mask, and then have it stay active. Turn it on. So there, boom, its state is changed to up, so it is now connected. And here we're changing the host name to 4321 router so we can know which one it is. And then we are setting up our SSH connection, generating a crypto key. And what I love about this interface, and when you mess up, it's going to say, hey, you screwed up. So here I typed RSE instead of RSA, and it didn't like it. So it told you, hey, go fix that error. So if you are like me and make mistakes when you type, it's very helpful. All right, so we go on, continue to set it up. Then we set up a username, because honestly, we don't want to expose root to the connection. We want you to log in as a specific user, and then we give it privileges of fit15, and then we set up a username, password, and all that. And honestly, this isn't a real router in any network, so you can't hack into my network and find this router. This is us just playing around with the Cisco Packet Tracer and whatnot. So anyways, do that, and then we come over here to our PC, click on that, click on desktop, you click the command prompt program. It'll be a little box right here. Then SSH-L name 192, essentially the IP address of the router that we want to connect to. Then have you enter the password, and boom, we are connected via SSH. So it's really quite straightforward setting up a router. This is a nice, quick, easy tutorial on setting up an SSH connection on the router using the Cisco Packet Tracer. And what this does is emulate the actions you would take in real life, and so you can kind of practice. Essentially, you could set up your whole enterprise network on Packet Tracer, test it, and then when you deploy the actual network, everything should be good to go and it should be trouble free. It's quite a wonderful tool. Check it out. All right, see y'all later.